Hey everyone, it's Joy here for Tailored Expressions. Today I'm going to be sharing the beautiful Friendly Filigree kit, and I'm going to be sharing the stamp, but there's also some extras that you can add onto this kit. So what comes in the kit is the Friendly Filigree background stamp. So this is what I'm going to be using today to create my cards. Then you have the Friendly Filigree frame die, the Altogether Occasions, and the Altogether Occasions die. So you've got your great sentiments there. Then you have the clear card box, so you can create a gift set, which is what we're going to do today. You have your beautiful toffee colored envelopes, your envelope stickers, your sticker that's going to go on your zipper pouch that's going to hold all of your contents for your kit. Now here's the extras. You have the Foil It Friendly Filigree, so you can use your foil and like a mink machine to foil these. I will not be using this in the video, but this is an add-on that you can get. Then you have the Foil It Altogether Occasions, sentiments, and the Gift It belly band. I'm also going to be using Poblano pepper, toffee, Oreo, and sugar cube cardstock, foam sticky circles, that's going to give us some dimension, Oreo ink and VersaMark ink, gold, silver, and white embossing powder, and the powder tool. So let's get going on these cards. I have in my mini MISTI my Poblano pepper cardstock. I am going to be making 6 cards, 2 of each color. I'm using the VersaMark ink and inking up my background. I did prep that with the anti-static powder tool. And for the Poblano pepper cardstock, I'm going to be using gold embossing powder, and I did get a little bit in the center because there was some ink, but I just used my finger and a small paintbrush just to remove that excess powder. You're not even going to be seeing that area because we're going to be using the Friendly Filigree frame to cover that section. So I'm going to put that aside, and then we can go with our next color. I have the Toffee cardstock, I believe. Yep. And I'm going to be using some white embossing powder on this. I think white embossing powder with toffee cardstock is really gorgeous. And so that's what I decided. So for both of my toffee cardstock panels, I'm going to be using some white cardstock. These are all A2 size cards. And like I mentioned at the beginning, this is, you get that clear gift box, clear card box. So you can put all of your cards made and your envelopes in there to give as a gift to someone, and then they can obviously give these out to whomever they want. So this is a really fantastic gift. So I'm going to heat this until everything is nice and melted. You know it's melted when it is shiny. Then we're going to use our Oreo cardstock for our last one and silver embossing powder on this. So one of the things with this kit is I did share that I adhered one sentiment to one of the cards, but I actually left all of the other sentiments off. That way your recipient can add whatever sentiment is going to suit the occasion that they are giving this card for. So it's kind of, they get to kind of make a card in a way. You're just going to put the components together and then they can finish it out and give that and send that away in the mail. So it's perfect for gift giving. I'm just finishing up with this Oreo cardstock and silver embossing powder, heating that until it's melted. Then I used the Friendly Filigree frame, and I die cut from Oreo, Poblano pepper, and toffee cardstocks, and I'm just going to alternate the colors on these backgrounds, and I thought that would be really, really pretty to have the different colors on there. Now we want to use the sentiments, which is the Altogether Occasions, and I'm going to stamp this on sugar cube cardstock, and I'm just keeping it simple with some Oreo ink. I'm going to stamp this a couple times to get a nice, good, crisp image, and then we can use the coordinating die to die cut out these sentiments. I'm just going to put that in place. It lines up so easy, and I'm just using some low-tack tape to tape that down, and then I can run this through my die cut machine, and then we have all of our sentiments just die cut nice and easy. So like I said, I'm going to adhere one of these to the cards, but the rest of them I'm just going to pop inside the little clear box. Now, what I like to do with my foam sticky circles is when I have a lot of the circles missing, that the rest of that is still sticky. So I just trimmed that out and put that behind the Friendly Filigree frames because I do want those to have dimension, and I'm just centering those in the background. But that way I can use up all of the foam sticky leftover pieces after all the circles come out. So that way you just don't waste anything. I'm going to finish popping this last one on, and then we can start adding to this Gift It belly band. So this is an add-on that you can get, and it is really cute. So I die cut the 2 pieces from white cardstock and then the frame from Toffee. I'm adding the Just For You sentiment because this is going to go on the outside of the box, because this is who you're going to gift it to. There is score lines on each ends of the dies, and I'm going to fold those. Right now I'm just going to fold on the score lines and just kind of bend the box to where it opens up because it's flat in the kit, and just fold everything on the score lines and tuck the bottom piece in, and then you can fit all your cards in, and then you can close the top piece. So it's just like a regular little box. I added some adhesive on the little folded tabs at the ends, and I'm wrapping it around the box, and this will slide off easy, but look at how pretty that looks. Okay, so here are the cards finished. The 1 sentiment, the rest of them do not have sentiments, but here's all of those die cut sentiments. Let's pop this into this clear box. So I'm going to put my cards in first. I have 6 cards in here with foam tape, so without foam tape you could add a lot more. I'm going to pop in all my little sentiments there inside. And look at this great gift you can give to somebody. I love this. This is so easy to make, and the person you're going to give it to is absolutely going to love it. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. I hope that you enjoyed this project, and I hope that you feel inspired. Have a really wonderful day. Bye.